Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid tolls on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application and now select destination. Click at the search bar or you can select one of the place. Let's say I want here. Then click at the movement option here and we need to select the car. So right here we have the button avoid. Click at this button and select avoid tolls by just tap on time at the slider near to it. Then click at the check mark and now you can click at the go. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!